Yo, all right, what's up, everyone? So I'm gonna teach you how to negate verbs in Korean. But I find like a problem a lot of people have. They like go watch a video on how to do like a new grammar pattern, and then they kind of forget it, or they forget the examples, and they don't find it too useful. So I'm gonna show you how to really make it useful and a way to remember it for a long time. So without further ado, let's get started. And the first we're going to learn a verb that this negation gets used commonly with. So the verb is 멈추다. That means to stop. So in a lot of K-pop songs, they're going to say things like, okay, we don't stop, or like, I won't stop, things like that. So we're going to negate 멈추다 using this grammar. G anta. All right. And it's quite simple to negate. So I could easily just be like, okay, you add jianta like right there and you're done. I guess if you want to, you could just stop watching now. But I'm going to show you some examples in K-pop songs, and I'm also going to, I guess, help you remember it. And I'm going to show you some more challenging stuff in a second. So to negate 멈추다, it's pretty easy. 멈추지 않아 or anta. And anta, if it gets conjugated in the present tense, you drop da and add a. So 멈추지 않아. And let's listen to Seohyun say 멈추지 않아 in the song Catch Me If You Can. Cool. All right. Now we're about to move on to my favorite example, but first we need to learn a new word. That word is 쉽다, and that means to be easy. 쉽다. Cool. And to negate 쉽다, and you want to say it's like not be easy, it becomes 쉽지 않아. Like it's not easy. Not easy. Cool. And this is my favorite example. It's from EXO's song Transformer. And Kai says, 쉽지 않아, 너는 mega girl. And I don't know, I just thought it was really funny because Kai has dated both Jenny and Crystal. And then it's just like I was just like thinking about like, when would Kai ever say like 쉽지 않아 너는 mega girl? And it means like, you're not easy, you're a mega girl. I was like, maybe that's like a good pickup line. Anyways, I'm just joking. I doubt he actually said that to anyone, but it's good for like to help remember it. You can imagine like Kai like maybe talking to Jenny or maybe talking to Crystal, and Kai saying the lyrics like 쉽지 않아 너는 mega girl. So that's just one sort of like memory technique I would recommend. You don't have to, but I thought it was funny. And all right, next this next part that I'm about to show you. This is jianta. It can only be used with the go 쉽다 grammar, because sometimes you want to say like, oh, I do not want to do this. So with go 쉽다 grammar. So if you say I want to cry, go 쉽다. I want to cry. It's kind of sad, right? So maybe you want to make it a little bit happier and say like, oh, I don't want to cry. You say 울고 싶지 않아. And if you want, check out the song 울고 싶지 않아, or like I Don't Want to Cry by 17. It's a good song, and they say 울고 싶지 않아 about like 20 times. So you'll trust me. Just listen to that song once, and you'll remember 울고 싶지 않아 for a long time. So 울고 싶지 않아, I don't want to cry. And then here's the challenging part. If you thought that was challenging, check this out. So we're going to combine all that and more. So how can we say a dream that, I don't know, I don't want to wake up from? So the verb 깨다 means like to wake up from. So how can we take 깨다 and then describe a dream that we don't want to wake up from? All right, here we go. So we start with 깨고 싶다. 싶다 is like I want to wake up. Now we want to say I don't want to wake up. 깨고 싶지 않아. And then now we have to describe, like, maybe next will come dream, or maybe they'll say it in Korean, they'll say 꿈. So we gotta change "아나" to "아는." "아는." And then you can put in like dream. So there's an example in Twice's song Truth where they say 깨고 싶지 않은 sweet dream. So like it's a sweet dream that I don't want to wake up from. And then there's an example in Card where they say 깨고 싶지 않은 꿈. So like they use the Korean word for dream, which is 꿈. So check out those examples. I'll play those. And 울고 싶지 않아. I don't want to cry. Actually, I think better than Kai's example, I like 17. I like the 17 song better. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you remember the negation jianta. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you next time.